Hello, happy people! This is your host Crypto Puffy, and welcome to my show. If you consider yourself a fan of crypto incubators, or if you have at least heard about them, then you probably know about DuckDAO. And if you haven't, well, you could stick around and watch this video and let us tell you all about it. You see, when a project is being released, the owners have to do an initial liquidity offer on Uniswap or other platforms called decentralized exchanges. By the time many people get to this stage, they probably don't have the best price because other people already bought before at cheaper prices. And so, how can you invest in a project with less initial capital? You ask me? Enter DuckDAO. DuckDAO is a community, a sort of club, if you like, that offers you a much lower price for big projects which would usually be offered to venture capitalists. And if you are wondering how this is possible, well, it's because they have very many people on board with them, which adds to the pool of funds available. In this video, we are going to engage on a true review of the website duckdao.io, highlighting what DuckDAO it is, how it works, its history, its advantages and disadvantages to you as a cryptocurrency investor, and hence our verdict on whether or not to join DuckDAO. Be sure to watch till the end. If you are enjoying this video so far, please hit that like button, and if you haven't done so already, press the bell icon so that you will be the first to be gifted with the newest videos from our channel. Just in case you are new here, Crypto Puffy channel is home to all amazing facts and latest developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. Cool, let's go back to our project. As already mentioned, DuckDAO is a decentralized incubator that helps promising projects achieve their full potential by leveraging the investment power and buzz-making potential of their community. The first thing that slaps your eyes when you take a quick tour through their blog on Medium is a yellow duck that looks very happy about the green notes falling around it, especially, of course, if you love ducks. DuckDAO doesn't shy away from saying that they are the first crypto incubator, that it's community driven, and even ties this nicely to their mission, which says DuckDAO looks to break the cycle of early stage investments in high potential cryptocurrency projects, which typically see large traditional VCs buy out stacks of token in strategic, seed, and private sale investment rounds at far lower prices than retail investors got during the public sale. These VCs would then dump their holdings on retail investors to secure an easy profit, while simultaneously damaging sentiment surrounding the project. Instead, we at DuckDAO believe in cultivating long-term partnerships with the project we support, helping to establish healthy, natural growth that builds lasting success. You already get the feeling that you are dealing with a serious and committed crypto incubator just by reading the words above. But they don't leave it at that. They continue to classify their involvements with projects into what they call tiers or levels. First is Tier 1, incubation level, that involves working with projects from their very humble beginnings to the point where they get listed on exchange. Isn't that crazy? This comes with many aftercare services, which basically mean that they don't lose a project as soon as it becomes successful. And so projects that are incubated benefit from a range of marketing, advisory, and listing services to help catapult the projects to success. The second tier or level, known as strategic contribution level, involves projects with social media strategy, including Twitter and Telegram, while the third and final level, what they all call Tier 3, general contribution level, is all about DuckDAO managing OTC sales and community requests with no direct involvement in the project. If you are listening to this, you are probably thinking, there is no way a crypto incubator would be this organized. But I say to you, welcome to the 21st century. And just in case you thought DuckDAO team is just bluffing, then you can go to the lower section of their track record of success, which I will come to in a moment, and just see what the big names they have worked with have to say. If you have an interesting sense of humor, you will not miss out their nickname to their community, nicknamed Ducks, who are crucial components of the process and help out in both finance and support the growth of their partner projects. DuckDAO is quite true about their process and even provide a detailed account on their website of how their decentralized process works. Once you join DuckDAO's token permissioned Telegram communities, the project provide you with an allocation of tokens as part of their project collaboration. This is usually mainly achieved through their token, the DuckDAO Dime, DDIM the ticker, which can be leveraged to access their community tiers, each of which provides increasing benefits for the community. Ducks need to hold at least a fixed minimum number of DDIM tokens in their MetaMask wallet, usually determined by the Collab Land bot, in order to access each membership tier or level. It kind of feels like playing a video game, except you actually earn real money. The current token permission membership groups are listed as: the Duck Fight Club, you need 10 DDIM. For the Beach Club, you need 200 DDIM. For the Gentleman's Club, the VIP is called you need 2500 DDIM. The Diamond Club, which is called also VVIP, is 10,000 DDIM. And Duck All Stars Club is composed by top 10 DDIM holders. Something we found completely amazing about the membership groups we just mentioned is that DDIM can be purchased on Uniswap or earned by participating in community events such as interactive interviews, AMAs, with DuckDAO's projects. DuckDAO also operates a lobby for general discussions, aside from their exclusive membership communities, which goes to show why this incubator means exactly what they say when they declare themselves the first community-driven crypto incubators. Disclaimers to users is that they will be automatically removed from a group if their DDIM balance falls below the minimum threshold. Now, it's also worth mentioning that members in high tiers have a larger personal cap, because customers in the highest tiers benefit from a larger percentage of the allocation received from each project. DuckDAO also goes out of its way to ensure that part of the allocation reaches all premium tiers, giving everybody a chance to claim a stake in hot new projects. And of course, you can always confirm any of these facts we are mentioning in the video from their blog on medium.com, which is where we have extracted the facts for this analysis. Now, remember when I said that I will get to testimonial about DuckDAO's track records? Well, pay attention, as I'm sure you will find this impressive. DuckDAO has managed to work with some of the biggest names in the industries in recent months, including Jik, DeFiPi, and Fuse, each of which achieved more than 10-fold returns. Yeah, that is 10x on the public markets when compared to their entry prices. This is of course thanks to their simple process that ensures that they perform extensive due diligence checks on potential projects to ensure they meet the rigorous standards of safety and stand an excellent chance of achieving great success with the help of their ducks. Also, because of their incredible track record, they have been able to secure partnerships with prominent YouTubers, including Ivan on Tech and Box Mining, who also work to share crucial insights with their followers, making the industry a more accessible place for all. And really, what more would you want to hear to agree that DuckDAO is on the top of their game? Maybe I can add as a bonus that on their website, which a sleek yellow on black terrain, are other features to back the succinct explanation that you will find on the medium.com blog. From an introductory video of DuckDAO and what it is about, to a section explaining who their ducks are. Honestly, I love the way they call this section, the power of the quack. Their Duck Farm Live, clickable explanation on DDIM tokens, Duck Farm, Hunters, their blog, which we have mentioned a couple of times, and even an explanation of how you can get incubated if you are interested, to their pool of their portfolio. I definitely recommend that you visit the site, as I assure that it is candy for your eyes. And so, for the part you've all been waiting for, our final verdict on whether to join DuckDAO or not. Drum roll, please. It's a big yes. From us with 2 thumbs. This is because we are yet to find any feature or functionality worth criticizing, since many of the few limitations we bumped into checked out as work in progress, which is not hard to believe when you consider how DuckDAO has improved and polished their website in the short time they have been around. And yet, they promise us more to come. That's all we had for today, and we hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe and never miss steamy video like this ever in your life. Until next time, keep it crypto puffy. Bye bye.